Saturday Night Lights Space Edition. South Jersey may see a rocket launch. NASA is scheduled to launch a rocket from its Wallops Island facility in Virginia between 8:02 to 8:42 p.m. as part of its Connect-X space mission. And since South Jersey is pretty close to Virginia, we can see it anywhere from 0 to 10 seconds after the launch if you're south of the White Horse Pike, and anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds to the north of the White Horse Pike, and that includes most of New Jersey as well. Like any good rocket launch, though, we need a clear sky. Now, looking at the forecasted radar for Saturday, there's showers all throughout the day. It's going to be one of those damp, gloomy, yucky kind of days. But as we get to 8 o'clock, showers will start to break up. And if the launch holds off until 9 o'clock, it looks even drier across the area. Even if it doesn't rain, there still will be some clouds around. In fact, most of the computer models for Saturday at 8 o'clock do show some clouds, but it's not everywhere, so that's some good news. Overall, I think it's going to be pretty tough to see the rocket launch, but there will be some of you who will be able to see it, especially if you're in Cumberland County and out towards the New Jersey Turnpike. Here's my advice for everybody. Go outside, grab a jacket, temperatures will be in the 50s, and cross your fingers. Some of you will be able to see the rocket launch. I just don't think it's going to be everybody. It just looks a little too cloudy, and there'll still be a couple of showers around, making it not the best, but not the worst either. For the Press of Atlantic City, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci.